Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. It's time now to play Follow the Leader on page 18 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. In Follow the Leader you can finally apply what you have learned in the previous one, and especially in page 16, yeah? What you have learned in page 16, the notes A, B, C, in the new way. Why? You start again in this one from the C. Let me play first and then I will tell you a few things, because this one sometimes is tricky for many students, especially when they arrive to this bar. Let's see together. 1, 2, 3, 4. To play again slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Stop. To make it simple, write for yourself all the fingers that you need. So here is definitely clever to add. Here write 1, because the tendency, your brain remembers that on this note you were using number 5, finger number 5, so the little finger. So that's why it maybe is clever to write, especially when you have the notes together on the same count. Just do it. Here you write 3, you will help yourself. Here write 1 for the right and write 2 for the left. Here write 1 for the right, 4 for the left. Then here write again 4 for the left hand note. Let's write this one, makes sense. Then we have 2. In this case, look, maybe something that might help everybody, write it maybe in the middle. Because here you see you have second for the left for the B, second for the right for the A. The A is to be played by the second. If you write in the middle, maybe you will remind yourself that you have exactly the same finger. Different notes, they sound quite weird together. Let's look 1 second at the keyboard. Since this is the position, and this is A, this is B, don't be scared, this is the sound, it's definitely normal, you are right. This is the sound that has to come out. Then you move up 1 step with the right and down, skipping 1 note to the G. Let's write 1 second the fingering of this note. I'm writing also the last one, and this way we complete 1 for the left. And here we are. This is the problem and the way you can solve here. The reason why the title is Follow the Leader, I think that you have noticed already. You play this small melody, yeah, this one, and you repeat it with the left. Then you play this one, G, A, B, C, B. You do the same with the left, G, A, B, C, B. So the left hand is following the leader that is the right. Then you will play a new melody with the right that will be played by the left, immediately. At the end, obviously, something had to change, otherwise we never end this piece, because you play B, G, A, B, C, it starts on a different moment, not on the first count of the following bar like it was happening always. You start on the third count of the second last bar. You imitate the right. You do B like this one, G like you do with the right, but then instead of passing through A and B, you jump immediately to the C. So the ending is slightly different, but it's due to the need of ending the piece. Study this piece in blocks of 2 bars several times in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go over. Repeat many times until you don't get it. Maybe you can play up to the following note. Yeah, up to the first note of the following bar. Let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're ready, once you play well these 2 bars plus the first note of the following bar in this way, you can start adding the right hand note, and you make one step further. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and repeat many times. Once you're ready, you can skip the first 2 bars and you start from here doing the same. First of all, up to this left hand note, and then adding also the right. I show you also this one and then I stop. So now I start playing from the 3rd bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you stop on the left hand note of this bar, omitting this one. Once you're ready, you can add also the top one, and you can do the same with the following ones. Obviously the last block needs lots of time. You play 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, as much as you need, and until it doesn't become simple and easy for you. So, in case you have any extra question, don't hesitate to comment. Let me know how you're studying it, if you're changing anything in terms of fingering, even though I don't think that is clever, because this is a very clever fingering. If you have never done before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching today. See you. Bye-bye.